Digital School for Kids.
Wow, it's A! A. Let's go to the next one. Brilliant! It's B. B. Keep going. Cool, it's C. C. Let's see what's next. Delightful, it's D. D. The next letter is E. E. Moving to the next. Fantastic, it's F. F. What's next? Great, it's G. G. Hooray, it's H. H. Incredible, it's I. I. Keep going. Joyful, it's J. J. Let's move forward. Keen, it's K. K. Keep going. Lovely, it's L. L. Let's see the next letter. Marvelous, it's M. M. Let's go to the next one. Nice, it's N. N. Let's head to the next one. Outstanding, it's O. O. What's next? Perfect, it's P. P. Let's jump to the next. Quaint, it's Q. Q. Moving to the next. Remarkable, it's R. R. Keep going. Super, it's S. S. Terrific, it's T. T. Keep going. Unbelievable, it's U. U. Let's see the next letter. Very good, it's V. V. The next letter is wonderful, it's W. W. Let's keep it going. Extraordinary. It's X. X. Keep going. Yes, it's Y. Y. And the last letter is zesty. It's Z. Z.